What's up mga ka-guitar addict? For today's video, gagawa tayo ng tutorial sa kanta ng Linkin Park, In The End. So una, intro muna tayo. Paparinig ko muna sa inyo ang intro. So paano ba yon? So una dito sa second fret, fifth string, isa, tapos dito sa fourth fret, fourth string, dalawa. So, tapos dito sa fifth fret, ito yung fret ha, ito. Fifth fret, fifth string, ito. Ito. Tapos dito sa fourth fret, fifth string. So ganun. Bali apat na beses, isa dito, apat na beses. Tapos balik na naman. Panghuli, isa na lang dito. Ito yung bagsakan sa panghuli, di ba? Una. Ang dalawa dito, tapos isa. So yung pang tatlo. So una, dito, balik, gano'n una. Tapos balik na naman. Panghuli ito na lang. So yun ang intro. So pagkatapos ng intro, diretso verse agad. So ano ba ang mga chords sa verse? So we have simple lang. So we have E minor, we have D, we have C, at saka D. So yan lang sa verse. So ilang balik ba to? Isa, dalawa, tatlo, apat na balik yon. So 4 times yon. So apat na balik again. So ang strumming nito is it starts with one thing. Hard to try, keep it in mind that the sign is right to explain the Jude's no. So up down lang. Starts with dito. One thing, don't know why, doesn't even matter how hard to try, keep that in mind that the sign is right to explain the Jude's all time is a positive thing. Watch you fly by as a feather on swing. Watch you come down to the end of the day. The clock is like away. So on real couch below. Watch time go right out the window. Try to hold on. Didn't even know. Wasted it up. Watch. Ano lang, apat na beses. So pinagalan ko ng konti. So ito yung normal is it starts with one thing, don't know why, it doesn't even matter how hard you try, keep that in mind that the time is right to explain the future. So yun lang sa verse. Again, A minor, D, C, D. So pagkatapos ng verse, we have na chorus. May iban ng chords sa chorus. So yung sa chorus, we have A minor, G, D, C. Dalawang beses lang. So pasadahan natin. I try so. Dito para makita nyo. I try so hard and yet so far. doesn't even matter. So dalawa lang, tapos balik na naman sa verse. One thing, don't know why. It doesn't even matter how hard you try. Keep that in mind, it's done try. Remind myself how I try so hard, despite the way you're mocking me. It was something like part of properly. Remember all the time you fought with me. Yeah, so things are the way you were before, and they don't recognize me anymore. Not that to that, after all, and kept everything inside. I know I tried, pull apart. I didn't need me, but eventually will be the memory of a time. Try sa chorus, so I can get so far. In the end, it doesn't even matter. I had to fall to see it all. In the end, it doesn't even matter. Yun lang. So, una is verse, tapos chorus, tapos second verse, tapos chorus. Yun na. Tapos lang, yun lang. So, yun ang mga chords. So, dalawang set of chords lang. Yung sa verse at sa chorus. So, easy lang yun. Basic na basic lang. So, yun lang. Adios, mga ka-guitar addict.